So next year when we're reevaluating things, we're just going to maybe go, well, if we do sales training a few times a year, get this number up, and your goal, your new revenue goal is only an extra million, 1.8 that you want to do. Well, guess what? Keep the marketing spend where it needs to be, where it's at. We don't need to throw any more money at marketing. Let's just get your average tickets up. So that's kind of where we've been. But here's where Joseph and his team at HumJam has come in, was I saw the writing on the wall. I saw that last year that the major algorithm changes to Google was going to disrupt the entire market, not just in HVAC, not just in plumbing, but across all industries.